Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin, take a look at Solana. There's lots of things flying up and rallying super, super hard. We're going to get into it. We're going to talk about it. Are we going to continue this move to the upside? Are we going to cool off? Let's figure it out. Let's hop into this video. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is trading at $37,188, up about 2.71% on the day. Bitcoin dominance, 51.41%, trading at relatively the same place it was yesterday. We're starting to see some of that liquidity move out of Bitcoin and into the altcoins. As you can see, look at that, guys. Solana up 25% on the day, trading at $54.38. Absolutely incredible. Will it continue? We'll have to see. And look at this, guys. Crocoin up almost 17% on the day. Love to see it. If you've been watching since we started making these videos and you've been around for the past 6 months, pat yourself on the back because you will be rewarded, and you're getting rewarded right now as we speak. There's lots of money to be made. Will we continue this move to the upside right now? Time will tell. Let's take a look at the charts. So, guys, right now, Bitcoin is breaking above a key level here, above 35,000. 32,700 was a very important level to me. And I really believe that as long as we were getting weekly candle closes above that, that we're probably going to get bullish continuation. And that's exactly what we've been getting for the past couple weeks. And things are really starting to heat up here, guys. Bitcoin dominance is coming down. The altcoins are getting some love after Bitcoin made this huge move to the upside. We bounced off of this 28,200, and we just got this humongous candle up here, a 13% candle. And once we broke above 32,700, we've just been off to the races, about a 35.75% price gain off of the key support level of 28,200. That was a very important level in my mind. I really knew that if we were to break above it and hold above 28,200, we're going to be seeing some significant bullish continuation. And that's exactly what we're seeing play out right now. The question is, where will we go? I will say that right now, this move is a little premature when I think about a Santa Claus rally. When I think about making moves to 55,000, that's the number that's being thrown around significantly right now, is a move to 55,000 by the end of the year. But I do think that's aggressive. But I will also say that this upcoming year is an election year. Election years tend to be bullish. They usually tend to be very bullish. We could see this move to 55K before the halving. We could see that happen. We definitely could see that happen. This is a very, very strong move right now. I wouldn't want to be sidelined right now, that's for sure. I would not want to be sidelined. And I haven't been. I've been accumulating. Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the way back here. What we've been talking about on the Crypto Report for the past 8 months, 9 months, saying accumulate Bitcoin, Ethereum, accumulate Bitcoin, Ethereum. And right now, if you were accumulating Bitcoin, you've been rewarded significantly. And right now is definitely a time to be thinking about altcoins. But I haven't gotten the true confirmation that we are in the bull market. We're getting rallies. Like, this is great. There's money flowing into the crypto space as a whole. Look down here on Market Cypher. You're seeing the money flow, that little green wave coming in. We want to see something like this green wave down here. But it's starting, guys. It all has to start from something. A little bitty wave, just like back here, a little bitty wave turns into a huge tsunami of money flowing into this space. We're starting to see the money flow in. That's what we need to see. We don't want to see just money circulating. We want to see the overall market cap of crypto increasing. And it has been, guys. We are above $1.5 trillion market cap for the crypto space. It's pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. The question is, how far will we go? How far can we go before the halving event? There's lots of people, maybe this is the front running of the Bitcoin spot ETFs. because I was prepared for this move right here. I was prepared for that off the bottom. I was talking about how I was expecting sideways chop in this channel, maybe a little break above, but sideways chop leading into the halving event with a capitulation before the halving event. And I was calling for, if we broke above 32,700, somewhat all bets would kind of be off, that there would probably be lots of room to go to the upside. And that's exactly what we're seeing. And you see that with how the altcoins are moving right now. But as of right now, I am not only, I'm definitely turning bullish here, but I have a sense of disbelief. And that disbelief is making me more bullish. It's a very fun game to play. It can be very tricky. You know, over on Twitter, you can go follow me at 333 Blacksea. I just said the bull market is just as hard as the bear market. Do not forget this, guys. Do not forget this. Because we may be entering the bull market. It may be premature. It may be a front run because of the spot ETFs getting approved. And I mean, it's absolutely crazy. The other day, BlackRock filing for an Ethereum spot ETF. Massive. And you know what people think about immediately after that? Oh, well then, they could file for a Solana ETF. They could file for this altcoin ETF. Because if the Ethereum ETF is approved, well, then all bets are off. It's not security anymore. But I think that will take a significant amount of time. I think there'll be all those games that we've just been dealing with for the Bitcoin spot ETF, for the hypothetical Ethereum spot ETF for probably a significant amount of time. We might not even see that until next bear market, you know. It might take some serious time. But there's a lot of excitement. The main takeaway from all of this, when you exclude price action, is that the volatility is coming back into the crypto space, which is what we need for a hype cycle. We need this greed, this frothing greed, the foaming at the mouth. We need to see that to see a true new all-time high and a hype cycle. And something I've been talking about as well that you should keep in mind is that the order books have never been more thin than they are right now. $1 billion invested now could bring us up to a hypothetical 10% price increase on Bitcoin. And in 2020, $1 billion investment could increase the price of Bitcoin by, say, 5%. Those are not exact numbers, but I'm just trying to give you the general idea of what I mean when I'm saying that the order books are thin. So, less money, it will take much less money to propel us to higher highs for Bitcoin. And you guys know what that means. When Bitcoin's going up, the altcoins, it starts to cool off, the altcoins start going crazy, start making some serious gains. Crocoin, guys, man, look at that. Look at that curvature. Very, very nice. That's what we like to see. Maybe can we get a test at 0.0992? That'd be very, very bullish. Right now, I mean, it's very strong. This is a strong move, guys. A very strong move. I mean, I don't know if you guys know, but today, I don't even want to say it, but FTX, the number one gainer on the day. Man, can we just never say that name again? I'm so ready for that to be gone. Be careful, guys. You know, we did say on the channel that we probably thought that it was going to come back and probably make a lot of gains, but it's just despicable. It's just despicable that there's the gall it takes to still be around after stealing billions of dollars from people. And, you know, there's a bullish takeaway from it, and that is, well, FTX is the number one gainer of the day. When is Crocoin going to be the number one gainer of the day? They're both exchange tokens, and guess what? Crocoin, Crypto.com, didn't steal $5 billion of their users' funds. How about that? Pretty big difference in my mind. So I do think that there's definitely a day here where we could see Crocoin be a number one gainer, make a very, very huge move. And, you know, guys, I want you to pay attention to, just as over on Bitcoin, how I was saying, this layer here at 32,700 after a breakout to it is kind of the sky's the limit. It's no man's land. We can just keep going up for a while. Until we hit some sort of resistance, maybe at 46, 48,000. I think that's a appropriate level to hit. But the same case for this level here, this 32,700, Crocoin's 0.0992. If we break above this, I think 16 cents probably in that area if you zoom out. This is a fair value price range when we break above 10 cents. I think that starting to trade around this level here, 15 cents being the next channel, 15 cents between 10 cents. I think that we probably go straight through this line once we break above it and hit about 12, 15 cents. I think that's very appropriate, especially if Bitcoin continues to trade where it's trading right now. So be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared for that. I do want to also say we are in no man's land on Bitcoin. There could be a pullback. There definitely could be a pullback. But I will say, I don't think we're going to be seeing any brutal pullbacks, not just yet. When you get in the bull market, that's when you start to see these huge run-ups with a, what are we looking at here? Usually, I think it's usually anywhere from a 30 to 50% drawdown. Yeah, this was about a 43% drawdown from the top. We had that summer lull before the next peak. You don't really get those huge decreases until there's some serious mania. I mean, yes, we did make a large move to the upside on Bitcoin. We did make about a 45% move from 25,000. I'm not really getting behind the idea of seeing a 45% move to the downside from this until we get a little bit closer. Until we get a little bit closer to the halving and we see a larger move to the upside. Until we really get that mania back, that peak volatility, that peak FOMO, for us to really see these huge drawdowns. But be prepared for a little shakeout. There's always a little shakeout around the corner. Just like on Bitcoin, there's always a massive pump around the corner, just like what's happening right now. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea right here. I'm very, very active over there. Love talking to you guys. Also, go below this video. Check out our description box. We have awesome referral links. Sign up to Femex, get a $4,100 sign-up bonus. BitGet, $8,000 sign-up bonus. These exchanges are really trying to reward people right now because they know everyone's coming back to the crypto space. They want to give stuff away, so you use their platform. Feel free to click those referral links. Help us out. Get some free money. Also, consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, guys, we're giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin each and every month to a different member leading up to the halving. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be patient. Pat yourself on the back if you've been around for the past few months because you surely have made some profit. But that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.